Dr. Beasley's matte paint coating is an easy-to-use ceramic coating for protecting matte finishes. This hydrophobic coating resists contamination to make cleaning easier and preserves the matte finish in its original appearance. You might be wondering why you need a ceramic coating just for matte in the first place. Here's why. Matte finishes have a texture to scatter light. Most ceramic coatings are designed to enhance gloss by filling in imperfections. The problem is matte finishes need those imperfections to produce the matte look. Matte paint coating is able to preserve the texture by adhering to the imperfections instead of filling them in, maintaining the matte appearance. Matte paint coating is applied with water to reduce friction with the matte finish and enhance the ceramic coating bond. Because it's applied wet, you can even apply it after rinsing during your normal wash process. Once applied, it bonds with the matte finish to build an invisible layer of durable protection over the paint. The protective shield will resist contamination for easy cleaning, inhibit UV rays to prevent color fading, and bead off water to reduce water spotting. After applying matte paint coating, maintain by washing the vehicle twice a month or as needed. When applied correctly and regularly maintained, matte paint coating will remain durable up to 3 years or more. Matte paint coating is also compatible with glossy finishes, making it perfect for glossy cars with matte hoods, roofs, trunk lids, spoilers, and even matte vinyl graphics. If you're serious about maintaining a beautiful matte finish for years to come, you need to protect your new matte vehicle with matte paint coating as soon as possible. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out to us at my team at drbeasleys.com or give us a call at 773-404-1600.